Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, today we'll start a new lesson that is about safety. Now, whenever you will take out any sharp object or any of the electrical switches, then your mummy papa will run and they will take out that thing from your hand, or they will say no, don't touch that one. Yes or no children? Why? Because yes. Why? Because is we may hurt by using that one, and mainly small children should avoid touching that particular sharp things or electrical switches or anything. Now today we'll learn in more detail about this one and about how we should walk on the road and everything. Now safety first, right? One day Anil came to the class with a bandage. So children, already you know that this yellow background words are your new words. So I'll send you this one, you have to copy. With a bandage means that is nothing but, I hope you have seen when someone is broken their hand, this will be wrapped to their hand. Okay, this is white colored, the putty like, okay, you can see on his knee, right? Teacher, what happened Anil? Now Anil says, while playing with my friends, I ran across the road to. Now teacher when asked, what happened Anil? Why you are having a bandage on your knee? Then Anil said that, ma'am, when I was playing with my friends, I ran across the road to bring the ball. As I was picking up the ball, an auto came and hit me. See how awful, right? Yes, this is very dangerous, right? Now teacher said, Anil, you should be very careful when you are on the road. Then Anil said, yes teacher. Teacher said, today let me tell you about the safety rules. Now teacher is telling some of the rules how to be safe while walking on the road. So here you can see, we must walk only on the footpath. What do you mean by footpath is the place that is given only to walk children. On the road you can see on the left side or right side, this particular way is given, right? Footpath is the way where people can walk. Now, or the left side, if footpath is not there, you should always walk on the left side of the road. Okay, that is safety number 1. Now moving to the second rule, what is that? We must always cross the road at a zebra crossing. What do you mean by zebra crossing? Yes, you might have seen this one like black and white rectangular lines on the road. Only through that only you should cross children. Okay? Yes. Before crossing the road, we must first look to the right, then to the left. So what is the first rule? Yes, this one is only walk on the footpath and you have to cross the road at zebra crossing. And before crossing the road, you have to first look to the right, then left. Again right you have to see. Okay? Right, left, again right. Then you should cross the road. Now moving to the next one, we must never play on the road. Okay, there are different rules. Now we see cycles, cars, scooters, autos, lorries, buses and people moving on the road. Yes or no? This is called traffic. So all the vehicles that move on the road are called as traffic. Right? Have you ever seen a pole with lights in the middle of the road? Yes, I hope all of you have seen. What is that? Yes, that is the traffic lights. Now, let's learn about this traffic signal. So, this is what traffic signal. The traffic lights are also called as traffic signals and it controls the traffic on the road, children. How? Let's see. How do the traffic lights control the traffic? Now let's see how do the traffic lights control the traffic. So children, the traffic signal will have 3 colors. What are that? Yes, red, orange or yellow and green. Okay, so red means stop. So if the red light is on, that means you have to stop there. Okay, orange or yellow means you have to be ready to go. Okay, and the third one, if the green light is on, that means you can go or you can pass through that particular road. So that is how the traffic light controls the traffic. So according to these traffic lights only, all the vehicles follow the rules and they cross the roads, children. So red means stop, Orange or yellow means be ready. Green means go. That you have to remember. Now, we should follow these traffic rules. These rules are made to keep us safe and sound. Yes or no? So, these all are about your what? Safety on the road. Now, moving to safety at home. So, at home also some things are there which are very dangerous for home, right? So, we have to be very careful to be safe at home also, right? So, here are some examples you can see here. Never try to light a matchstick. Okay, matchstick, I hope you all know that by using which we light a candle or light a diya, etc. It may burn your fingers. Okay. Next one is what? Do not play with a blade, knife or a pair of scissors. They are very sharp and they also may hurt you. You can use these scissors in guidance of your parents, children. Okay. Now moving to the third one. Do not play with any electric wires or switches because you may get a shock. Okay. Now moving to next one. Do not rush down or push anyone on the staircase, or even during your school time also you should not push anyone whenever you are standing in a line. So do not jump. So staircase means what? Whatever the steps are there, right? That is the staircase. Do not jump from the walls, children. Don't do these all things if you want to be safe at home. Okay. Follow safety rules on the road and at home. These rules help us to live safely and happily. Now moving to the next one. In the classroom also you have to be careful and you should take some steps to be safe. How? Do not throw a duster or a piece of chalk at one another. You should not throw anything inside the class, right? Don't throw anything to each other. Now, next is don't jump or run over the desk. And the next one, do not use blades to sharpen pencils but use only pencil sharpeners. Okay, don't use this particular blades and all. And you should never take any of the sharp things to school also, children. Now moving to the next one, safety in the playground. While you are playing in the playground also you have to take care some safety measures. What are that? Do not play near thorny bushes or barbed wires. That means barbed wires means the area surrounded by some thorny wires. That is called as barbed wires. Thorny means the pokey bushes. Okay, you should not play. You can see here this one, right? Next one, when you play, follow the rules of the game. Okay? Play with a sportsman's spirit and do not play a rough game, children. Okay? So, you have to follow safety rules to keep yourself safe. So, children, hope you understood about safety while crossing the road, safety at home, safety in the classroom and safety in the playground to be safe and happy. Now, if you are hurt, then what you will do? Yes, providing the first aid. First aid means what? It will be having some ointments or any of the cotton or bandage or anything it will be having, right? So, providing the first aid immediately can prevent the damage caused by an injury and in some cases save the life of an individual, children, okay? So, the first aid is very important. Now, at a glance, what we learnt in this lesson is safety on the road. Traffic means what? Cycles, cars, scooters, autos, lorries and bushes that move on the road. That means all the vehicles, right? The traffic lights are also called as traffic signals and controls the traffic on the road. So, red means stop. Orange or yellow means be ready. Green means go. Now, safety at home, safety in the playground, safety in the classroom and why you should be safe. Yes, follow safety rules to keep yourself safe. So, this is the word search. I will send you the keywords, children. Please copy that in your workbook.